Have you ever wondered what protects us from the sun's most harmful rays? That's the ozone layer, a thin shield of gas high up in the atmosphere, right above where planes fly. Ozone is made up of 3 oxygen atoms, and it acts like Earth's natural sunscreen, absorbing dangerous ultraviolet or UV light from the sun. But back in the 20th century, we discovered a problem. Scientists noticed that this protective layer was thinning, especially above Antarctica. The culprit? Chemicals called chlorofluorocarbons or CFCs. These were found in things like old refrigerators, spray cans, and air conditioners. When released, CFCs float up into the stratosphere, where intense sunlight breaks them apart, releasing chlorine atoms. Each chlorine atom is like a tiny chainsaw, chopping up thousands of ozone molecules before it's done. This process created what we now call the ozone hole over Antarctica. During the southern spring, cold temperatures and sunlight combine to unleash chlorine's destructive power, thinning the ozone layer even more. That's why satellite images from the 1980s showed a giant blue patch, the ozone hole, right over the South Pole. Why does this matter? Without enough ozone, more UV rays reach Earth's surface. That leads to higher risks of skin cancer, cataracts, and can even harm crops and marine life. But here's the good news. In 1987, countries worldwide agreed to the Montreal Protocol, a treaty to phase out CFCs. Thanks to this global teamwork, the ozone layer is slowly but surely healing. Scientists predict it could return to pre-1980 levels by the middle of this century. So, the story of the ozone layer is one of science, crisis, and hope, showing how, when we work together, we really can protect our planet.